Art Garage, whom we love, is hosting their Brodie Lane location grand opening in just a few weeks. Here with more is studio manager Kaya Emmert. Kaya, welcome back. Good morning.
Hi, Rosie. Good morning. It's so good to be back.
Well, I know we've talked about the Art Garage here on Studio 512 before, and you guys have 2 locations currently. Can
Correct.
you just remind us about them?
Sure, yeah. So the original location is on Circle Drive in Southwest Austin off of 290. And then the second one is off of North Lamar in like 51st Street. And then the newest one is on Brodie Lane in South Central.
And you said this is kind of a homecoming, a full circle of
It
sorts.
is, yeah. It's actually 5 minutes from my childhood home, which is where the Art Garage started, in our family's garage. So it feels very like full circle and really cute to like be back in my neighborhood, like where I grew up.
So for Mom, who also works at the Art Garage, the commute is going to be about 5 minutes long, which is pretty amazing.
Yeah, she's pretty stoked about it. Yeah, she's happy about it.
Okay, yeah. Talk to me about what you offer at all locations.
Sure, yeah. So primarily we're a walk-in art studio, so you can come in anytime we're open, paint pottery, fuse glass, make mosaics. You don't need an appointment for those projects. You just show up and we show you how to do all the things. And then we also do corporate events, birthday parties, summer camps, events, workshops, classes, adult nights, all the things.
And we're going to pick into some of that a
Yes,
little
yeah,
bit
so
more
many
since
things.
we've got you for
I
a
could be
little
here
bit
all
of
day.
time. You've got your grand opening party for the Brodie Lane location, though, on
Yes.
8/8, as you
8/8.
said. Easy to remember, August 8th coming up. Talk to me about what you have planned for that day.
For sure. So the event is 10 to 1, and then we'll have a variety of like different projects for people to work on. We'll have complimentary tie-dye, spin art, for people to do, as well as like a specialty matcha coffee pop-up. There's going to be a tattoo artist doing little tiny tattoos at the event. We're also going to have some popsicles to enjoy and some other sweet treats and fun surprises too.
Lovely. And of course, this is family friendly, right?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
Okay.
All ages are welcome.
All ages welcome. You guys heard it here. And we're actually going to be doing a little tie-dyeing today, right? I'm begloved and wearing an apron for a reason.
So I brought a tie-dye bandana for us to do, so that's really exciting.
Okay, talk to me about how you put this together.
Sure, yeah. So I soaked it in a solution that helps it absorb the dye really well, and then put it in a swirl, like classic Keep Austin Weird spiral design. And then I've got some Art Garage colors for us to use.
Sounds good to me.
We're just gonna do blue on 2 opposite, and then green on 1 and purple on the other. So
Okay,
super
sounds good
easy.
to me.
Which color do you want?
Okay, I'll start with green.
You
You
go
just tell me
green.
what quadrant you want me
You go
working
right there,
on.
Rosie.
Okay, and then as far as any like skill set to this, you want to walk me through that?
Yeah, I mean, it's super beginner friendly and very forgiving. All of the designs turn out unique, and it's so fun to see what it looks like when you rinse it out.
Yeah. This is, I mean, of course, a project where it's going to be individual to every single person who plays with it. Because,
Exactly, yeah, even
like,
using the same
saturation
colors.
of colors and like how far they bleed into one another, like it's all going to be different.
Exactly,
so
yeah.
we go like ham.
Yes, ma'am. And
Crazy
then,
on one.
then this is kind of what it would look like when we rinse it out.
Lovely once
Super
it comes
cool.
out.
Yeah, exactly.
So is this the design you get from that swirl?
Exactly, and you can place the spiral, like if I had twisted it in the center, it would have it kind of more in the middle, but you can like twist it wherever you like and get kind of different variations.
It's a really cool point that you make about like you can help people with a lot of different things if they want to play around. So
Yes,
even though
it's
there
so
might be a
fun.
prescribed project, you can always ask the very helpful people who are working to say, hey, help me out. I want to do this slightly
Of course,
differently. Okay.
absolutely.
All right. You guys have summer art camps going on and people can still plug into those?
Totally, yeah. There's space at all 3 locations. Summer camps are week long. We do dozens of different art projects and all different mediums. So clay, glass, drawing, painting. It's all fine art based projects. So super great.
What ages for kids?
For sure, yeah. So starting at about age 5 or 6.
I come?
I have adults ask that all the time. They're like, I want to come to camp. I'm like, that would be so fun. But ages 6 to 12,
6 to
primarily.
12. Okay,
Yeah.
sounds good to me. And then we've talked about booking a spot ahead of time. You do want to hear from people if they're coming
For
to summer
camp, yes, just because there are lots of projects to prep.
But
for,
otherwise, like to have just
but a drop-in family
place?
day, yeah, absolutely.
It's
Especially
really
as it gets
nice.
hot.
Yeah.
It's nice to be inside for a
in
little
the
bit.
air conditioning, 100%. Okay.
Yes.
And you have a couple of other events coming up that you want to talk to me
Very
about.
exciting. We've got Paint with a Princess coming up. Princess Ariel
Princess
is visiting the
Oh,
studios.
okay, that's
There's
lovely.
a couple different events, dates. There's one at each location.
Okay.
And she's there on all 3 different days because Ariel can't be everywhere at once. But
Understand.
but those you can find that online for your local location. And then we're also doing a clay workshop which is a hibiscus out of clay.
It's a gorgeous hibiscus flower.
It's
Yeah.
so fun. It would be great, like little jewelry tray or catch-all. But that's going to be a little workshop coming up as well.
Okay, sounds good to me. You guys have all so much going on, per usual.
So many goodies.
And then a third location to boot. So we
Yes.
appreciate your time, Kaya. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Rosie, for having us.
For more information on the grand opening and all their offerings, visit theartgarageaustin.com.